Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to create your own digital vision boards using Canva. Now, this is for a desktop version. I will be doing a mobile app one soon, so just stay tuned for that. So when you enter Canva, you're going to go to the search bar right here and you're going to search for desktop wallpaper, and you're going to see a lot of different templates, but pay those templates no mind because we will be creating ours from scratch. So just go ahead and select create a blank desktop wallpaper. Now I already have a tab open, so I am just going to go to that, and this is what we will be creating today, or something similar to this. I just created this and said, you know what, let me do a tutorial on how to do this, because everybody is setting their goals, and sometimes having a visual layout of your goals keep you more motivated and grounded and determined to reach those goals. So just go to Pinterest and find some images that you draw inspiration from, and use those images. And it doesn't matter if your goals are long term or short term, it does not matter. Put it on your digital vision boards. Now let's get right into it. So I'm just going to start a new design. So there are two ways you can actually create your visual your vision boards in Canva. So this one I use the grids, and this one I place the images free-handed. So I'm just going to show you how to do both. So let's start with the grid. No, let's start with the free-handed one first. So I actually created a folder for this. So I'm just going to grab my images and add them one at a time in to my design space. And what I normally do is, based on the priority, or based on how you prioritize your goals, you can actually make do that to your images based on the size. So let me explain. So let's say you prioritize self-care more than, let's say, buying a car, or you know than another goal. So you would let the self-care image be larger than the goals you are working towards. So the goals that you prioritize the most would be larger, and the less prioritized goals would be less. So let's get this party started. And if you want to adjust your images, if you want to crop out any specific region of your images, you just pull on the sides like this and crop your image and stuff like that. So let's find another image. And you can just overlap your photos to get that mosaic effect. I don't know if you guys see what I'm talking about, but you can actually overlap your images to give it that layout. So let's do another one. Let's say you want to find a job, or you want to start your own business. So it's pretty simple. Let's say you want to go on more dates and stuff like that, and it does not matter the type of goal you want. Your goals are your goals, so don't really pay anybody else's goals any mind. You want to start eating healthier, stuff like that. Goal is a goal. And you can even like do some little quotes just to keep you motivated and ready to go. And as I mentioned, just go ahead and add your little quotes just to keep you motivated and stuff like that. You want to travel more with your friends? It doesn't matter. A goal is a goal. And as I said, you can position them however you want to give it that aesthetic look and feel. Mm, you want to date more? No problem. You want to find true love? No problem, sis. I'm a hopeless romantic just like you. You know? Do what you gotta do. And this is one way that you can create your digital vision boards using Canva. I'm going to show you another way. This way is pretty much simpler if you're not somebody who cares about things looking aesthetic or anything like that. You just want to create the things and go about your day. All right, so the next way to do this is get your after you after in your design space, go to elements and search for grids. It has a whole category to itself right here, and select see all. And there's a lot of different layouts, so we're going to find one that has a lot of different grids so you can add a decent amount of pictures. Okay, so I'm just going to use this one. You can use any one of your choice. And once you select it, it is going to cover your entire screen. Now, if you realize it only has 6 grids, you can only use 6 pictures, but don't worry. We're going to have the option to add more images. So what you're going to do is select your grid, and right here at the side, you're going to pull it in until you see that purple line. That purple line. So this means that it is in half. Your page is in half. Then it's going to select one of these circles at the end, and you're going to duplicate the grid. So it's going to the one that you duplicated is going to drag it over to the other side and line them up. So we now have 12 different grids. And what you can actually do is pull down the grid, and you can change the background color to a color of your choice. And then you're just going to pull it back up. So when you add your photos, the grids that has the little gaps between them, it gives you like an background color. So you just go ahead and add your photos. So let me show you. So you're just going to select your photos, drag them inside of the frame. If you want to edit that photo within the grid, just double click on it, and you're able to zoom in and zoom out to crop any portions out that you want. And you just do your thing, just play around with it. Add your photos, you know. Yeah, do what you gotta do. And you can still add your little quotes. So just find some things that you want to work towards, some things that you want to prioritize or incorporate more in your day or in your life, and just do add them to your stuff. No goal is too small. So I hope you found this helpful, and stay safe and stay blessed until next time.